Along with recruiting a foster carer, I support refugees and asylum-seeking children. I help the new carer, like existing carers or the new carers, to understand the cultural differences of the children they are taking care of, understand their religious beliefs, getting them connected to the community resources. They start to understand the language, they start to understand the culture of the new family, and the new family is understanding the same thing in reverse. It's lovely to see all the impact of this support on the social and emotional well-being of the child. It's also lovely to see that these families are understanding completely the child's cultural needs. I find it very rewarding. This is what I bring to the table. Tell me, what could you bring?